Hello, I'm Srinath Reddy, the founder president of the Public Health Foundation of India and also the founder of Hriday. My father was a chain smoker till the age of 46 years. He gave up smoking when he read the Surgeon General's report on smoking and health, which then catalogued in 1968 all that was known about the very many ill effects of smoking on health. Thanks to that knowledge, I did not take up smoking or any other form of tobacco use. But unfortunately, we see that there are a large number of young people who are now being enticed and entrapped into the tobacco habit. And this number, despite our best efforts, is not reducing as sharply as it should. For example, the Global Youth Tobacco Survey of 2019 noted that about 8.5% of Indian children aged 13 to 15 years are current tobacco users in one form or the other. And if you look at the age of initiation, when the actual habit starts taking root, then we find that the median age for cigarettes was 11.5 years. For BDs, it was 10.5 years. And for smokeless tobacco, like gutka or other forms of chewed tobacco, it was 9.9 years. That means the tobacco industry is catching people very young. And it is actually focusing on young people because a large number of adult tobacco users are dying, and therefore tobacco industry is desperately looking for new customers, and they want to catch young people and women who previously were not consuming tobacco in large quantities. And unfortunately, they are succeeding in their efforts. So it is absolutely important for us to make sure that young people are fully aware of the very many harmful effects of tobacco on health and recognize that many years of their productive life would be cut short if they continue to use tobacco. In fact, anywhere between 7 to 9 years of productive midlife years would be lost if people consume tobacco, and sometimes even at much younger ages in smokeless tobacco use, where you can get cancers of the mouth even in your early 20s. So it's very important that young people do not take up the tobacco habit at all and give it up if they've started experimenting with it, and also try and ensure that people around them, the adults, also do not consume tobacco, because secondhand smoke is also dangerous and it can harm your health. In fact, one of the school students, when I asked him, "Does anybody in your house smoke?" He said, "Everybody." I was surprised. I said, "How?" And he said, "Well, every one of us is a passive smoker. When anybody smokes inside the house or outside the house, then we are exposed to tobacco smoke. So it's very important for us to reduce tobacco consumption overall in society, but we can only do that if we do not take up the tobacco habit ourselves. And young people should become the transformational agents for society in ensuring that we have a tobacco-free society. Please join the tobacco-free youth campaign, because we need to keep our younger generation tobacco-free, and they will keep our society tobacco-free.